Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 711 at Angsana Teluk Bahang in Penang, Malaysia. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. Right here we have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. Here we have the dining table with chairs, the welcoming amenities which include fruits and chocolates, some writing materials right there, power outlets and USB ports together with the internet port, power outlet down there with the climate control panel and light switches above. Here we have the connecting room door, artwork, the living room area with sofas, a table in the middle, as well as a smaller flat screen LG TV, and there's a light right in the corner, and another power outlet, or rather two power outlets and two USB ports down there. Okay, so back to the door. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left we have the fridge down here. It does have items in it, and the items are free for the first time, so you can enjoy them, but after that if you ask for any refills you have to pay for them. And you have more storage areas right here. Here you have all the tea, coffee and cups and whatnot, and you have more storage right here as well. The sink area, bottles of water, power outlets and light switch, Samsung microwave. You have more storage right here. And right here. There's a mirror for this area. A bin down there. Okay, as for the view, you can see the balcony for the room, the beach below, the sea, right here we have mirrors. These two also double up as your wardrobe doors. And behind them you have your bedroom zippers, storage, in-room safe, a torchlight, extra pillow, another set of mirrors right here which also double up as wardrobe doors. And here you have a bin with an umbrella, the rack to put your luggage on, ironing board, bathrobes, iron hangers, storage, and right here we have the bathroom. Light switch for the bathroom, and as you enter the bathroom, to the right you have the bathtub. Here we have the shower area with your soaps and shampoos. It is a dual setup, so you have the handheld shower as well as the rain shower above. right here, we have the toilet. To the left of the bathroom, we have dual sinks. In the middle, bathroom amenities. Towels are below. And there's a weighing scale down there, together with a bin right there. Obviously, you have the mirror for the bathroom, lights on either sides. You also have hooks to the left, power outlets on either sides, and another mirror down there. Okay, so here we have the bed. It is a very comfortable bed. On the left bedside table, we have writing materials, the TV remote, TV guide, in-room telephone, the clock which is displaying the wrong time, as it is now only 15:11, not 19:58. But right there we have light switches, USB ports, power outlets, a light right above, artwork above the bed with a light. And on the right bedside table, we have another light with more light switches and USB ports and power outlets. Opposite the bed, we have a larger flat screen LG TV. And here we have the balcony. On the balcony, we have chairs, a table, and we can see out. We have the adult pool right there with the other block of the hotel. We have the children's pool below. And those are the pools for the rooms. You can see the sea, as well as the beach next to the hotel as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 711 at Angsana Teluk Bahang in Penang, Malaysia. Thanks for watching and goodbye.